Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about the offset surface command. This command is going to be an easy one. However, this command is going to be mostly used in the industry whenever you are going to work on surfacing in the industries, so you are going to mostly use the offset surface. Now, what is the reason behind using the offset surface? The reason behind using the offset surface mostly in surfacing is that because every time we have to check for the clearance between the given surfaces. Suppose if we have part 1 and part 2, so there should be some minimum clearance on the basis of the requirement which is generated by the customers. So we have to be very careful while using the offset surface that what value we are assigning to the offset surface. Now, what do you mean by offset surface? Offset surface means it is going to generate a surface which is going to be at some distance from the reference surface, and it is going to maintain that particular distance between those two surfaces in the entire surface. Okay, so it is not something like here it is going to maintain 1, here it is going to maintain 2. It is maintained uniformly as 1 or 2 as per the value which you are going to assign in the dialog box of offset surface. Now here is the command. In the surface you will get the offset surface. It is going to create a body by offsetting a set of surfaces. You can either choose a single face or multiple faces at a single time. Now here I am going to select the face. Suppose if I am going to select this one, so here you can see it has generated the surface at the distance of 0.2 inches because the value currently is in inches. So it is going to generate this, and it is going to have the uniform distribution of that clearance of 0.2 inches over the entire surface. So you do not have to get confused that whether we can assign multiple values or not. So this is how we can use the offset surface. However, you can assign a new set here. If I just click on add new set, and here I'm just going to select this face this time, and here I'm going to give the value of 0.3. So this is the advancement in the command, like how you can give the multiple sets to the multiple values. Otherwise, some users which are going to be at the basic level, they just do not use the add new set. And currently we are on the channel of Cad2liv. That's why we know that how we can give a little touch of advancement to the command. So this is the little advancement regarding the add new set, and here I can increase the distance also. Now we have the same case here for this surface, like where you can see the blue arrow. For this surface from the bottom one, it is maintaining the distance of 0.4. But for this, which is this one, it is maintaining the distance of 0.2. Now we can see that there are some gaps between them. So we can have the customization regarding the surface. Suppose if the customer says that in this helmet, I do not need this kind of section, but the other sections we require, but make a distance or make a surface which is going to be get offset by this distance. So you have to generate in this way. You are going to have the reference of your old models, then generate a surface using the offset surface in this way in which I am generating, and then you can have the customization between this area. So this is how we can use the offset surface. Just click on OK now, and here we have the surface, this one and this one. So basically this is going to have the single feature only. Why so? Because we have generated these faces in a single feature, which is offset surface. Now let's check some more features of the offset surface. In the feature, you can see that one feature for each face and one feature for all faces. Like I have selected these two faces, so that's the reason it has generated one feature for all the faces. If I click on this one feature for each face, then it will generate only one feature for each face. Just let me unselect this, now select this, click on OK. This is a different feature, which is offset surface 34, this is 35, and this is 36. This is how we can use the offset surface. First, we have the basic understanding of the offset surface. Then we have the advancement regarding the new set. Then we have the jump on the one feature for all faces and one feature for each face. And then we have the partial results. If I just hover my mouse here, now we are going to understand this through the definition which has given in the software. So it is going to omit face. Omit face means it is going to eliminate those faces that are going to fail to offset or that are self-intersecting when offset, or that do not edge match to neighboring faces. So basically the basic idea behind this to enable the partial offset is that if the offset is failing at somewhere or at some location or some particular faces, so it is going to have the partial offset. Partial offset means it is going to offset the other faces which are in success and which are in failure. It is not going to offset them. So make sure these settings are to be turned on. Okay, so this completes the offset surface. We have learned the each and every description which has been provided into the command of offset surface. So that is all. If you have learned something new regarding the offset surface, please do hit a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.